My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I am with the lesson Atmosphere. From this lesson, the points to be learnt are definition of atmosphere, composition of atmosphere, importance of carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen present in the atmosphere, characteristics of atmosphere, and finally importance of atmosphere. So dear students, let's begin. The very first point is definition of atmosphere. First of all, let's see a schematic diagram of solar system. This is Sun. On the first orbit there is a planet Mercury. On the second orbit another planet Venus, and on the third orbit our planet, this is Earth. And this Earth can move on its own axis. This is called rotation. At the same time, this Earth moves centering the Sun. This is called revolution. Around this Earth, this is mixture of different gases: carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, ozone, oxides of sulfur, nitrogen, etc. Now let's see the definition of atmosphere. The Earth's surface, such as land, rivers, oceans, is enveloped by a mixture of gases. This mixture of gases is known as atmosphere to the scientists, and it extends up to 500 kilometers. Now the point is composition of atmosphere. That means in the atmosphere which gases are present at what amount. Let's see. First of all, nitrogen is present in the atmosphere around 78.08%. Oxygen is present around 20.95%. Carbon dioxide is around 0.04%, and rest gases like ozone, noble gases, water vapor, etc., it is around 1%. And in the atmosphere, within 10 kilometers, 75% gases are present, and within 30 kilometers, 99% gases are present. Now the point is importance of carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen gases present in the atmosphere. First of all, let's see the importance of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere. It is only 0.04%. This is very less amount, but its importance is too much. Let's see. Carbon dioxide gas is absorbed by the leaves of plants, and it reacts with water, which is absorbed by the roots, undergoes photosynthesis reaction in presence of sunlight. Then glucose is formed. This glucose undergoes polymerization reaction and carbohydrate is formed. That means starch, cellulose. This starch is taken as our food. So atmospheric carbon dioxide is the source of our food. This is the importance of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Now let's see the importance of oxygen present in the atmosphere. Oxygen is present in the atmosphere. It is 20.95% by volume. It is used in breathing, and its another importance is we take starch as food, and this starch at the time of digestion converts to glucose. This glucose through bloodstream goes to cells, and there this glucose reacts with oxygen and energy is formed, and as byproduct carbon dioxide and water are formed. It is used as body fuel. So this is the great importance of oxygen present in the atmosphere. Now let's see the importance of nitrogen present in the atmosphere. Now, importance of nitrogen present in the atmosphere. Nitrogen in the atmosphere, it is 70%. Now let's see the importance of nitrogen. First of all, it maintains inert atmosphere. Nitrogen is a kind of diatomic molecule. There are 3 bonds between these 2 atoms. To break these bonds, huge amount of energy is required. That is why nitrogen acts as inert molecule, and nitrogen maintains inert atmosphere in the atmospheric region and protects different kinds of gaseous reactions. Number 2, nitrogen is absorbed by bacteria present in the soil and converts to nitrite ion, nitrate ion, that converts to amino acid, and it is absorbed by plants and then converts to proteins. So nitrogen is a kind of source of our proteins. Number 3, oxygen produces energy reacting with glucose. If there was less amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere, the amount of oxygen would be more comparatively, and as a result, number of these reactions would be more, the amount of energy would be more at a time, and that would be the reason for cell burning. So this huge amount of nitrogen protects cell burning. Now the point is characteristics of atmosphere. First point is the atmosphere, that means mixture of gases, rotates centering the sun together with earth due to the gravitational force. Number 2, the mass of atmospheric gases is 5.0 into 10 to the power 18 kgs or 5.0 into 10 to the power 15 tons, and it is only 1 part of the 10 lakhs of the total mass of Earth. The next point is atmospheric pressure is 14.7 pounds per square inch or 1.033 kg per square centimeter, and with the increase of altitude this pressure is decreased, because on the Earth's surface the concentration of gaseous molecules is much higher. That is why on the Earth the pressure is more. With the increase of altitude it is decreased. At sea level it is 760 millimeter mercury, or only 1 atmosphere pressure. At 15 kilometers altitude the pressure is only 0.13 atmosphere, and it is at above 100 kilometers altitude the pressure is only 0.123456 this atmosphere. So pressure is decreased with the increase of altitude, because the density of gaseous molecules is decreased with the height of the atmosphere. Let's see the next point. Now the point is importance of atmosphere. First of all, this atmosphere maintains atmospheric temperature 15 degrees Celsius on an average. Atmospheric gaseous molecules, organic, inorganic, floating particles, water vapor absorb solar energy and keep the atmosphere hot, and its temperature is 15 degrees Celsius on an average. If there was no atmosphere around the Earth, the temperature would be minus 30 degrees Celsius. It would be very difficult for the living organisms, for the living beings. Number 2, the atmosphere plays an important role to the rainfall. The water vapor on the floating particles condenses, and at one stage it comes down as rain. So atmospheric particles plays an important role to make rainfall. Number 3, atmospheric gaseous particles absorb UV rays, and through this atmosphere protects living organisms from the harmful effects of UV rays. Number 4, blue colored canopy. This is cover. At the time of sunset and sunrise, the gaseous particles reflect sunbeams and form a blue colored cover in the sky. My dear students, no more today. Thank you very much. Take care.